Hello, I'm Miku and today we start our cocktail and our shots of the Halloween. And because first time in a party you receive I don't know if the first or the second you wish you do it how you want it, but we are drinking in the beginning the shots. So I will start with the shots. I prepared for today the Black Widow shot, and this is very interesting, alien brain hemorrhage shot. It is very easy shots to do it very fast because you'll have maybe 6 person, 12, 30, 20, I don't know, you don't stay too much to make the cocktail and to make the shots too many. So I choose to make it the most easy and the most cheaper ones. So let's start with our black Widow. I will use two plates and I will use some corn syrup. So I can garnish one of my glasses. I will put the corn syrup here, just a little bit, like this. I have a problem with the neck, I think. Interesting, before to start this video I don't have nothing. I will use also, here I have some red sugar and I will put it very nice into our, okay, here we go, very nice. So I will can garnish very nice this this glass is very cool. So you put it like this, corn syrup in one way. I don't want to put it too much, but anyway I will smash it just like this and I will keep going like this because you will see what will happen. We will read through it, like it looks like melted after that. Now here we come in our red sugar. And come on. This is a red sugar with some gold powder. It looks very nice. Look how nice it looks, the glass now. This is very nice glass. Okay, so in this glass you should put around maybe a half of ounce raspberry juice, but just a half. I don't know if exactly would be nice, but I will try to do it the recipe as we know. And I will try to make it very nice for you guys. Here we come. I will put, okay, I think I put too much. Anyway, I will try to see if it's okay like this. First of all, yes, it's very nice. It's enough. Raspberry juice, okay. And now open bottles, guys. Look what we have here. Antica Sambuca Black. So you will need some black vodka or some, I will use black Sambuca. Black vodka, you can do some black sugar inside of the vodka, or you can do some, how can I say, painting of chicken or two. I think I lost myself. No, the color of black, you can do it from black sugar, or you can do some sweetness, or you can use some vodka, mix it with some. If you see the how can I say, the painting of some cakes and pastels and something like that, they are using this in the kitchen. So open this bottle, very nice. Oh, I don't even know she will come with this one. Very interesting this one. Nice. Okay, so we can go on with our black. I don't like the liar. I want to see it exactly like he is, the Black Widow. And here we go. I don't know it's coming like this, but it's very nice bottle, guys. I'll leave it for you here. Now I will just garnish with some one of sherry, and let's take a sherry. I don't know if I need it also the wheel, so I will just cut it. Come on, because I don't need to be like this, you know. I want to be it only with the, how can I say, just like this, and I will put it like this for you guys. This is our shot, Black Widow. Very nice shot, very nice, look interesting. Of course we will be some tasted like very close to the Cosmopolitan because we are using the raspberry juice and vodka, but it's interesting because sambuca have a nice taste, and the special that this one black one, it's a nice taste it. So let's go on. Here we go with the alien brain hemorrhage. This is a very interesting one, guys, and also open bottle again. Normal, you should put here peach schnapps, and peach schnapps is like how can I explain to you, the liquor of pinch, who is having only 28 fires, but I use Amsterdam pinch vodka, who having around 40, like normal, right? Open bottle again. I will put here around, even I don't know, I will put some vodka. I think it's enough, just like this. Okay, come behind with our Baileys. Open bottle, of course. And it will be very interesting now what's happening. We'll try to put it for a little bit from up. So it looks like, I think I should put another one. I think I will put another one, because now I need to come behind. It's not looking so very well like I used to be. But anyway, I will try to keep going to see what happens. So you just need to put a little bit of grenadine and a little bit, looks creepy, a little bit of blue curacao. What is this? So this is our alien brain hemorrhage shots. Very creepy, looks like a brain almost, but hemorrhage. Anyway, this is the looks like a brain. Anyway, this is the shots. Guys, for today I will make only two, very fast and very easy. I don't have too much time, and I will continue to do it also serious with another cocktails, very interesting cocktails for the Halloween. So if you like this video, just subscribe and leave a comment, smash that bell over there so you can know it, the next video will happen. Will be very nice, something very creepy. I hope I will do it at night, and I will make another 2 or 3 cocktails. Very nice. This is the shots, and I think I will come also with some shots. But in the end of this video, I will put here down another creepy video, call it the Ring cocktails and shots. I don't know if you know the movie The Ring. It's a creepy movie. You can go it and see it. Until my next video, stay cool. I will come close to the shot so you can see it, and will be very interesting. Come on guys, come on guys. This is the brain. It looks creepy. Anyway, it looks creepy. Okay, this is the brain shots. Alien brain hemorrhage. Not look like a hemorrhage to me. Maybe it was better with the pre-snap. I don't know what to say. This is the Black Widow, and this is amazing shots. Until my next video, guys, stay cool and cheers. Come on guys, how can I not do it? I need to do it, right? I need to drink it, right? I need to see how is the shots. Come on, I will not go like this. Sambuca black one, very nice. What should I start? Should I start with let's start with the brain. Let's start with the pinch vodka, Baileys, and grenadine, a little bit of grenadine, a little bit of blue curacao. Cheers guys, happy Halloween. Nice. But I feel it's like something like bubbling in your mouth, something like gummy from this Baileys. The stronger of the pinch vodka is very nice taste. Really, I never drink it. I drink it before this alien brain hemorrhage with some peach schnapps, and the peach schnapps is the liquor of peach. It was so sweetness and a little bit like for the ladies. So I make it with the vodka so we can be a little bit stronger and nice. Now let's try the Black Widow. Very nice, very interesting cocktail. This is like, I don't think I can do it boom like a man, because this sambuca is strong and having the flavor and the smell of like how do you say, like flowers, like something, I don't know. Anyway, let's try to do it. Cheers, guys. Yeah, it's really like the a little bit of taste it like the cosmopolitan, but sambuca have this black sambuca have this taste of I don't know what they're putting inside, some grease, some I don't know, I don't have an idea, maybe marijuana, I don't know it, but it's amazing one, guys. And uh, Salisbury, it's an easy cocktail. It's an easy cocktail also, so you can make it like a cocktail if you want. But it's an easy shots, you can drink it very fast, not too much. I think I will do it another one for me myself until I will edit this video. Guys, until my next video, stay cool. See you.